I'd just like to share an idea with you, and it's really about linking the literacy of mathematics with some content that we have to teach. Many teachers have expressed to me issues that they have with multi-part word questions and how to teach them to children, so I'd like to share an idea with you. You look down on the table here, you'll notice that I have some different cards. One set, you see across here, has pictures of clocks on it, and I have at the top corner, if you notice there, SC. And that stands for the word solution card, and in this case there are 6 solution cards, and they would be sitting up on the table. To go with those 6 solution cards, we have some things that are called clue cards, and in the top they have CC, and there are 4 of those, and you'll notice in one corner they have a question mark that's turned around in different ways. 4 children would play this game, so each one of them would get a card, and what they would do is read out one of the clues. No one else can read their clue, they have to read it themselves. And as they read the clue, it gives you a process of elimination to eliminate various solutions. So let's imagine that there's a group of 4 children and they're playing this game. And the first child would read out this clue, which says the analog clock shows minutes on the face. And they'd have to look at these pictures there, and they would start to have a look and see which ones show minutes and which ones don't. And you will spot there that in this case here, this one doesn't, so that gets turned over. The second clue says the analog clock shows numbers on the face. Well, all of those show numbers on the face, but this one doesn't. So through a process of elimination, that card is turned over. The third clue says the minute hand shows half past the hour. So first of all, we need to know what the minute hand is. Now in these 3 cases it does, but this one it doesn't. So that turns over. And the last clue we have there, the analog and the digital times are the same. So let's have a look here. This shows 7:30 on the analog, but 8:30 on the digital, so that's no good. This shows 7:30 on the analog and 8:30 on the digital, so they don't match. But this one shows 7:30 on the analog and on the digital. So that is our final answer. Now, good problem solving would involve going back over the 4 clues again just to check. And notice here how we've got some content from the Australian curriculum about reading clocks and is linked to problem solving.